Hello guys, my name is Edgar Oak and this is the Ultimate Tattoo Customer Guide. It's about everything you need to know before, during and after your tattoo session. Let's talk about tattoo types, and type number 2 is black and gray tattoos. Black and gray tattoos have interesting background that began in prisons. Prisoners with limited materials improvised their own tattoo equipment, using things like pen as a grip and sharpened guitar strings as needles and motors from tape players to run the needles. They made their own ink by mixing ash and grease with water, which created the unique black and gray shades. I personally started the same way many years ago, only I was using for ink feather pen ink. Please don't do that. That is not the way how to start your tattoo artist career. Anyway, in the late 1970s and early 1980s, this type of tattooing became popular outside of prisons, especially among Chicano communities in Southern California. People were drawn for these tattoos for their ability to show detailed and realistic images. Black and gray tattoos are known for their smooth blending of shades and the use of diluted black ink to give depth. In new days, black and gray tattoos are made using grayish sets, which are made from black pigment mixed with clear mixing solutions, creating variety of shades. Many tattooing companies in these days are making pre-mixed sets of grayish, making artists' lives easier. I personally use full set of Pantera ink. But many artists choosing mixing shades by themselves during each appointment using drop system or percentage system. Drop system is where tattoo artists drop specific amount of black ink drops in each ink cup and mixing them with a clear mixing solution, creating different shades of black, where darker shades are with a higher amount of black ink drops and the lighter shades with the less drops of black ink. And percentage system is where tattoo artists mixing ink using volume of the ink cup, where full cup is 100%, half is 50% and empty is 0%. 100% is pure black, 50% is 50-50 mix, 50% black and 50% clear mixing solution, and 0 is pure clear mixing solution. No artist using clear solution for tattooing, just for mixing black to get a variety of shades. In both of these mixing techniques, each lighter shade is more and more transparent. So, when artists apply these shades on the skin, it means customer's skin will be more and more visible on each lighter tone, which is the main characteristic for black and gray tattoos. The key of success in black and gray tattoos are skills and knowledge of tattoo artists, how to incorporate grayish and skin tones to get full depth of any possible design. Today, black and gray tattoos are widely respected and used for a variety of designs, like portraits, landscapes, and wide range of artistic expressions. This tattoo type are used in tattoo styles like all styles of black and gray realism, black and gray surrealism, black and gray abstract, Chicano, black and gray anime, and many more. And here are few picture samples of this type of tattoos. That's it for now. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see upcoming series, and share with your family and friends so more people find out about what everyone needs to know before, during, and after their tattoo session. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.